What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about some square roots, and basically we're going to talk about special product formulas, and in this particular video I want to talk about the difference of squares and the product of conjugates. So the first one is 4 minus root 2 times 4 plus root 2. If you remember, we explained in other videos, when we have a plus b times a minus b, we will have a squared minus b squared, which is the same as square roots, difference of square roots. So a plus b times a minus b is going to be a squared minus b squared. So we have the same thing here. It's going to be 4 squared minus root 2 squared. 4 squared is 16, negative 2 squared is 2, and the answer is going to be 14. Next example, we have 2 minus root 3 times 2 plus root 3. Answer is 2 squared minus root 3 squared. 2 squared is 4, minus root 3 squared is 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Next example, we have 1 plus root 5 times 1 minus root 5. Answer is 1 squared minus root 5 squared. So we have 1 minus 5 is going to be negative 4. Next example, we have 5 minus 2 root 3 times 5 plus 2 root 3. Answer is, again, we have product of conjugates or difference of squares. Again, we can say it's going to be 5 squared minus 2 root 3 squared, which is going to be 25 minus 4 times 3, because 2 squared is going to be 4, root 3 squared is going to be 3. So I have 25 minus 12, which is 13. Next example, we have 3 minus 2 root 5 times 3 plus 2 root 5. Answer will be 3 squared minus 2 root 5 squared, which is going to be 9 minus 2 squared is 4, root 5 squared is 5, so it's going to be 9 minus 20, which is going to be negative 11. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.